Hi! Welcome to Platform Mastery. For today's video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT in Google Search. To start, go to web browser and search for ChatGPT for Google. Click the ChatGPT for Google right here. And click Add to Chrome and click Add Extension. Here, ChatGPT for Chrome extension has its option. We have trigger mode, theme, language, and AI provider. Okay, after all is set, let's try it. Let's say write a resignation letter for a personal reason. And automatically, ChatGPT for Google will reflect here and generate what we type in on the search bar. Instead of researching it on the web, ChatGPT has a faster way to respond on our needs. And that is how to use ChatGPT on Google Search. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, click on the notification bell and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Bye!